Last time on Why Not Build It.
This is how big you want this thing to be.
A normal size nightstand.
It's like a dining table. I measured everything wrong. That didn't fit at all. But that was dumb.
Today, all the stress was worth it because we are finishing these nightstands. You okay?
No. Look at that.
Wow.
Starting to look like something. Be serious.
Yes,
Serious business.
Can you tell the people not to try that at home?
Don't try that at home.
Take two or take three?
Freaking 1,000.
It's like a big fancy lunch tray.
Somebody out there, please tell me this is nuts. Look at the size of this thing.
Yeah. We get the live reaction.
Look at these things.
So nice.
I've sanded for the last 30 to 49 hours. These are the sides. We've decided to pocket hole them in. It's pretty tight in there, so I'm just gonna put 2 on each side. Couple love taps.
Very snug.
A frog's butt.
Frog's butt is snug.
It's tight, you know, they're in the water. Can't reverse leak, you know. Girl, look at us. All the hard work you put in paying off. Alrighty, dokes.
I made lunch.
I want this to be more snug, so I'm just gonna screw this piece down into that one.
Snugly like a frog's butt.
Like a frog's butt. We've got a side. Now let's have 2 sides. We were gonna make the tops out of this plywood. I needed a little bit more.
Instead of buying it at Lowe's, you found a guy that sells it on Facebook Marketplace. It's cheaper and it's better wood.
It had actual 1x8 oak hardwood.
And it's supporting a local guy. So he also had a little farm, little baby pigs. And it was really cute. Look at their little tails.
Little tail.
It's so cute. Wins all around.
Win-win. I'm gonna glue it using these fancy clamps I just got from Harbor Freight. Put some glue here. Now let's test these guys out. Okay, 1 down.
Good to go. Sorry. Feel these clamps.
Oh yeah.
How far you come.
My work is done here today.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Well, these dried overnight. This is gonna be the last thing I make because I feel like it's the most challenging, even though everything's been super challenging. What we're gonna do next is drawer making. So I've figured out in my blueprint here that they need to be 5 1/4 tall. So I'm gonna rip all the sides, back, front.
Let's do it.
We've got all the pieces cut. I'm gonna give these things a light sanding now because it's harder to get them, you know, once they're a box. Am I released?
Yeah, you're good. What now?
Now we build.
Ooh.
For assembly, I'm gonna put the front and the back, which are even with the bottom, and then on the sides, they overhang to hide this edge. Then the drawer front will overhang and hide this edge. We'll glue. Make sure the tops are matched when I nail it.
Ooh.
Sorry, baby.
It's okay.
We have a 1.
3 more to go.
I think we'll put in the slides. Soft close. My dream has come true, having 2 drills at once. I can have this one ready to screw, and this one will have my center punch.
I'm happy for you, babe.
Thank you. All right, we just gotta do that 1,000 more times.
We'll see you guys on the other side. I don't think you need to see it 1,000 more times. Last slide. What are you doing next?
We're gonna install them in the carcasses.
In the nightstands. Did you fart?
Oh yeah.
Great. I walked through your fart fog.
You have to be even with this.
So you have to bring it out that much?
About 3/4. Like those moves?
Yeah.
Okay, so this bottom one can go right up against here. The top one, I figured out where the middle is gonna be in between the two drawers. And I cut this at that same height so that I can just put this guy over here and skadoosh, skadoosh, and it's home, you know what I mean?
Is that the noise?
Skadoosh. That wasn't me. Skadoosh. My lips aren't even moving. Skadoosh. Didn't even move. Man, here comes the nightmare. Swapping these two over here.
We need a bigger shop. Subscribe, like, share, so we can eventually have a bigger shop.
Any shop sponsors?
Shop sponsors.
All right, one down. Lunch to go.
Lunchtime?
Mm-hmm.
The magic of video editing. We're back from lunch.
Want to help me?
Oh, now it's getting heavy, huh?
It is.
It's a perfect place for this.
Well, let me move this out of the way.
I thought I was helping you move that.
I will take the help, but I don't know how to maneuver around this.
Who put this here?
I have to take it out of here.
Even when you tell me that I'm going to help you,
Move that.
you make it impossible.
Move that out of the way. You know, a little initiative from you. We appreciate it.
You're unbelievable.
Let's get the other one up here. Make some faces.
Drawer faces. Woo woo. All right, so what are these going to be made out of? Oak, plywood.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God!
It's getting heavy.
We set these up to where we want these guys to be drilled at.
These guys are
The guys' knobs.
the guys' knobs.
Yeah.
These are the knobs, guys. I actually bought these on Amazon. Can you imagine me asking Wender to create this?
No joke.
I'll link them if you guys are interested.
Francine's eyeballing me.
Jeez. What are you doing out there?
Okay.
So now we're going to attach them.
Oh yeah.
It's exciting. You need your playing cards,
My collectibles.
collectible playing cards.
Yes. Might have to hold this. Okay, let me get some screws. These screws are here because that's where the knobs go. So I'm gonna screw the drawers from the back. Okay. No, look at that.
Wow.
We're knobbed. Starting to look like something.
Just needs a top. All right, next one behind you.
Why do we make just little edge banding
Looks good.
with my happy little iron here?
Hi, guys. After this last one, we done for the day?
That's it.
Obviously, we have to do the top, and that's gonna be the trickiest. People are probably thinking, how tricky can a top be?
Well, it depends who's doing it, you know? Everything's tricky for me. Every time I do something, it's the first time.
The top is not just a flat top, though.
It can be a little experiment.
It's gonna be fun.
It'll be fun.
It'll be so much fun to watch Wender struggle.
See you next weekend, girl. Chills. The fingies. Yeah, I'm peeling them again.
What are we doing? Besides freezing our butts off. The quicker we start moving.
I'm moving. Look at me. Okay. Be serious.
Yes,
Serious business. We have to figure out this top. The front is going to be like this. So I have to somehow make trim that curves around this. I pre-glued some stuff last week. I took all the legs, leftovers, and I glued them together. I let the sander dictate the radius. So we'll cut it there. We'll cut it here. Let's do those cuts first.
Be careful. Hey! Just sand the rest, no? You're scaring me.
Babe, chill.
Can you tell the people not to try that at home?
Don't try that at home.
How do you feel about these?
Super easy. Barely an inconvenience.
Stupid.
This has to come out.
Before you cut the outer edges?
So I can route it. They don't move all over the place. Now they're kind of locked in here.
Make some straights?
Yeah, finally.
What are we making straights out of? Some solid oak. You need 2 more of these.
Don't say this.
You okay?
No. So I knew we needed 4 and made 4 right away.
Make some straights?
Yeah. This trim has to be the same thickness. I gotta cut a little bit off of it at the end here. I'm gonna use this one to hold it in place. So I cut a little slit in here that I did not mean to. So I'm gonna put this little piece, glue it in. That sucked. Where's that little baby clamp that I have? It might be a good time for that guy. Here we go, guy. No, that's no good here. Should have thought about that before. Glued it.
Take 2 or take 3?
Freaking 1,000.
3 or 4?
That's 2. No?
Well, the first time would have been cutting that right.
I see.
Right? So it's take 3. Just trying to be accurate.
But
Cut
your
at an
words-
angle too, huh? Which made it trickier.
Oh, now you're sucking out this guy right here, who's the real star of today. Just doing his work.
His time has come. What are you doing next?
We gotta route these guys right here. Alright, these guys are routed and sanded, and now we have to cut the tops so we can start thinking about coming around them.
Well, the top will be easy to round. You just round it.
Everything is easy when you're just watching it be done.
So you just have to trace this curve at a 90-degree angle.
Yeah, you're not kidding. Is it square if I do this? Maybe. I don't know. You know, like, is this one shooting out that way? Then I got to cut a little bit. So, no. It's not like just do it.
Are you mad at me?
No. I'm just ready to cut.
Oh, outside. You didn't tell me we were cutting outside.
We cut the top to size. Now, before I start cutting these corners, I want to make sure I don't skip a step that I should have not skipped. You know what I mean?
Yeah. You want to make sure you don't cut any corners?
I don't know, dog. I think I'm just gonna. Should we just do it?
Sure. I mean, I guess. Guys, look at how pretty my nails are.
Wow.
They're 3D.
That's beautiful.
This is why I married him.
Alright, I'm ready to put this thing in here. I'm gonna glue and nail it.
Scary.
It's hanging over the bottom here. That's kind of by design because these aren't exactly, but I want to make sure that I have some wiggle room. And then I'm gonna sand the bottom to make it even once it's dry.
It's a lot of sanding.
I know, but that's what you get when you make things round.
I feel like that was a dig.
No.
Looks like a big fancy lunch tray.
Wish it was just a lunch tray. Somebody out there, please tell me this is nuts. Look at the size of this thing.
Babe, this is a normal size nightstand.
Is it?
It is.
I mean, I could have dinner. You can have dinner. Home work desk. Work from home.
No.
That's working from home.
No.
Let's let this guy rest like a fine steak. All right, you got the next one? All right, let's do it. So that guy is, for all intents and purposes, fixed. It's gonna look like a real antique. It's having to make another one.
You won't even notice once we're done.
All right, so today I'm gonna show you guys the worst part of my little job here. The goal is to smooth this out, make it feel like one. This is the only nail. So I'm gonna fix that and just kind of get everything sanded, looking nice, and probably be here for 3 hours. Ready?
Ready.
And just like that, sanding is complete. Filled in some gaps where needed.
These aren't attached. We're gonna stain first, and then we'll attach the tops. Using Rubio Monocoat, we're trying to match our bed. One that matched closest is the shade Walnut. I understand the hype with the Rubio. It just looks so beautiful. I don't know if I'm even capturing it. When Wender gets home, we're gonna put them together. The knobs are made from a different wood. I do think they might be a little bit darker. I don't think it'll look bad if they are a little bit darker. Hi! We get the live reaction.
Look at these things.
We put these L brackets in to attach the top.
Only because see how this is like flimsy? I don't want to someday like pick it up and have this thing break.
Actually,
you want to get the
they don't look too much darker.
tapes off of there?
Can you let me say it to the people?
Say it to the people.
See? Oh, there you go. Just smash into the other one.
Testing the Rubio, you know? Won't bang into anything.
What are you going to do with all this storage?
Store my fine china.
So nice. The color, though?
Money.
Perfect.
Yep. Yes.
Wow. There's sand right there. Why are you whispering?
Because they're so nice. Soft clothes, you know?
Soft talk.
Yeah, soft talk.
These are, without a doubt, my favorite thing that you've made. Look at this.
Boop.
Look at this.
And I called the guy and he had the oak.
You called the guy and then we got the wood?
Why don't you explain things instead of asking me? I'm working.
I don't understand.
Explain it. I don't. Zappity zap zap here.
Is that the noise?
Zap 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 zappity zap zap. Before I start cutting these corners.
Don't cut any corners, babe.
The corner cutting joke.
Childproof. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, Candice, are you serious right now?